Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to discuss about the responsible person for a light dimmer. So now I'm going to start. There are three responsible persons for a light dimmer. Those are the manager, the supervisor, and the technician. And now I will tell you the roles of each responsible person. First, the manager is a person who is responsible for planning and directing. Second, the supervisor, who is a person who supervises an activity. And lastly, the technician is a person who is skilled in mechanical technical field. It is important to have a responsible person like them when you needed a person who acknowledge others, direct employee contact to respond an employee's problem, and check if the materials and tools are complete. And that's all. Thank you. By the way, I'm Lord Jimmy D. Villagonza, grade 10, Lacandula.